Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the AP US History exam. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, which includes 55 multiple-choice questions and 4 free-response questions. Next, focus on understanding the 9 historical periods from 1491 to the present day. Finally, create a realistic study schedule, dedicating at least 1 hour daily to review content and practice skills. This structured approach will significantly boost your confidence and performance. To master the content, begin by selecting a comprehensive AP US history review book. Actively read and take notes, highlighting key concepts and dates. Make flashcards for essential vocabulary, significant acts, and influential individuals. Remember to link specific events to larger historical themes, such as the evolution of American identity or the impact of westward expansion. This thematic understanding is crucial for higher-level analysis. Effective practice is vital for exam success. Regularly complete multiple-choice questions, aiming for accuracy and speed within the 55-minute time limit. Practice writing full essays for both the document-based question and the long essay question, adhering to the 40-minute and 60-minute suggested times, respectively. Critically review the scoring rubrics to understand what examiners seek in a strong response, focusing on thesis development and evidence usage. As the exam approaches, prioritize your well-being. Ensure you get at least 8 hours of sleep the night before and eat a nutritious breakfast on exam day. Trust in the hard work you've put in and approach the test with a calm, confident attitude. Remember, a positive mindset can make a significant difference. Also, for those looking for quality and comfort, check out the link in the description for darn tough socks and other great deals. Good luck with your exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.